हमारी फिफ्थ वीडियो और इस फिफ्थ वीडियो को हम टाइटल रखेंगे व्हाट इज एयर पोल्यूशन, हाउ टू एयर पोल्यूशन इफेक्ट्स ऑन ह्यूमन इन्वायरमेंट। ये इनमें से कोई भी टॉपिक हम चूज कर सकते हैं। Next, we have also learned that cutting of trees increases the temperatures of the earth, which is harmful for all living things. Throwing of garbage also causes land pollution. Effects of human activities on water habitats. Following the human activities are harmful for all living organisms living in water. People throw garbage in water resources that pollutes water. Chemicals from factories are thrown in water that kill water plants and animals. Oil spills from ships cause lethal damage to marine animals and plants. How to save natural habitats? We need to take following urgent actions to save our natural habitats. We should keep our water habitats clean. We should plant more trees in school, at home. We should take care of them. They will keep our environment fresh and clean. Do not throw wastewater into fresh water. Do not cut trees. Avoid the throwing garbage on land. ये है बड़ी कुछ चीज़ें और स्टार्टिंग आगे हम करते हैं बड़ी एंड द सन इज द ये सब पढ़ी हैं आगे एक न्यू चैप्टर change in living things and we have learned that all living organisms have the ability to produce young ones which are called their offspring. The offspring of most living organisms look like their parents and they grow and become adult animals. We see that offspring of most animals and plants are like their parents. For example, a cub resembles a lion, a kitten resembles a cat, a chick resembles a hen, etc. Or next, offspring of some animals and when hatched from eggs do not look like their parents in their beginning, but after some time they become similar to their parents. For example, when they hatch from eggs, the offspring of butterflies and frogs do not look like their parents. The offspring of a butterfly is called caterpillar and that of frog is called tadpole. नेक्स्ट है बड़ा अपना टॉपिक लाइफ साइकिल्स ऑफ एनिमल। बहुत छोटे छोटे टॉपिक हैं, अपनी 5 मिनट की वीडियो भी नहीं कंप्लीट होती। बर्ड्स lay eggs from which their babies hatch. The life cycle of a hen completes in three main stages. Egg stage 1. A egg is the first stage of this life cycle. The mother hen lays eggs and incubates them for 21 days. Embryo stage 2. The hen sits on the eggs to keep them warm. Due to this heat, the embryo develops inside the egg and shell of the egg protects the embryo. After 21 days, the embryo fully develops into a chick that come out after breaking the shell. Check stage 3. After hatching, a chick starts eating insects and grains for food. Within a month, the chick begins to look like its parents. In 6 months, the chick develops into fully grown hen or cow. Then उसके बाद frogs. A frog goes through 4 stages to become an adult. The 4 stages of life cycle are egg, larva, tadpole, and adult frog. Egg stage 1. An egg is the first stage of a frog life cycle. The female frog lays egg in water where they develop and hatch. Larva stage 2. The embryo breaks the shell after 21 days and comes out as a larva or tadpole. Its sound starts swimming in water. It looks like a fish and breathing through gills. Tadpole stage 3. The tadpole starts changing into an adult frog. After 5 weeks, the front and hind legs begin to appear and it begins to breathe through lungs. Adult frog stage 4. The tadpole completely changes into an adult frog after 2 months. The offspring of butterfly go through from stages to become adult butterflies. Egg stage. The butterfly lays egg and leaves. Its eggs are round, small, oval, and oblong in shape. Of the butterfly hatch from the eggs, the butterfly larva is also called caterpillar. The caterpillar feeds on leaves and stores food. Pupa or cocoon stage 3. After eating for a few days, the larva changes into pupa and goes into the resting or developing phase. Butterfly stage 4. After developing inside the pupa, a fully developed butterfly comes out of it. Life cycle of plant. The life cycle of plant completes in the following four main stages. Seed stage 1. The seed is sown in the ground where it gets water, air, and suitable heat. Seeding stage 2. In this stage, roots begin from into the ground and then leaves come out of the soil and from the baby plant called seedling. Growth stage 3. The plant grows tall and wide by growing leaves, branches, and buds. And flowering is this video and of the